same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear the same old song. And I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. I got a rambling fever in my blood. I caught the rambling fever long ago, when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. Someone ever said I gave a damn, they damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Well, sometimes I'd like to bed down on the sofa, let some pretty lady rub my back, spend the early morning drinking coffee, talking about when I'll be coming back. But I don't let no woman tie me down, and I'll never get too old to get around. I wanna die along the highway right away, like some old highline call. Restless rambling fever in my soul. Rambling fever, kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. My hat don't hang on the same nail too long. My ears can't stand to hear the same old song. And I don't leave the highway long enough to bog down in the mud. I got the rambling fever in my blood. I caught the rambling fever long ago, when I first heard a lonesome whistle blow. Someone ever said I gave a damn, damn sure told you wrong. I've had rambling fever all along. Rambling fever, kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Rambling fever, the kind that can't be measured by degrees. Rambling fever, there ain't no kind of cure for my disease. Pick it up. Yeah, man.
Hey, folks, we're back.
We're back.
Another week, and 1 hour of country music.
Woohoo!
Man, the week flew by this week.
Yeah.
Jimmy, how you doing? I got to say hi to the boys first. I only see them once a week, and I miss them through the week. I miss hanging out with these guys.
Doing good, doing good.
Carrie's good?
Carrie sends her love.
Okay. Tell her we love her. Everything's cool. Paul?
Carmine,
I see you have half your family here tonight with you.
I got a bunch of the family here.
Introduce them.
We got Will,
Will?
and who's my wonderful son-in-law. We have Ollie, who is my wonderful grandson.
Hi, Ollie.
And we have Ollie's other grandpa, Pa B. We got
Oh,
Bill.
man.
Bill, Will's dad, Bill, is here.
Now, I understand Bill has a birthday coming up pretty quick.
I think it might be tomorrow.
Is it tomorrow?
Is it tomorrow? Look at that.
Well, happy birthday, Bill. I don't know you yet, but I'll get to know you in a minute. And glad you're here.
Yeah.
Absolutely. And where's Colleen?
Colleen is in Texas with Scott and his family.
No, why didn't she call me and tell me she was doing that?
I
'Cause,
don't know.
you know, I don't like it when she's not here.
Well, she probably thought it was going to be too hot here.
Yeah. Inside joke. I love it. Oh, and John Palmer, the man holding the whole thing together. How you doing, Johnny?
Fine.
God bless you, boy.
Thank you.
Looking well. I heard you had a harmonica accident. When he plays, sometimes he plays harmonica, so he puts the harmonica on his snare drums because it's easier to grab if he's going to play it a little bit. And he said he whacked it the other day with a stick.
Yeah, I didn't even know I did it. I just went, picked up the A and went, I
it's got
smashed this guy.
I bet that must have sounded cool, though. Must have been a good beat that right there, you know, when you hit the harmonica. Yeah. Anyway, okay, Paul.
Okay.
So, we don't have a guest artist. We're going to have one as something come up. And so, thank God we have Tom with us today.
Yeah.
And Bart's here. Maybe we'll get him to get up and do one song.
Yeah.
You know?
Why not?
Just one.
He's here.
Okay.
But if
So
we have
anyway.
a second one ready.
Right, yeah, just in case. Anyway, I got a little amp here. Did you have a guitar with you?
I got one at my house 5 minutes away.
Well, or you could just play the acoustic if you, yeah. You don't mind if you play your guitar, do you, Tom? Great, then we're going to share, we're going to have fun. So we do have some guest artists. We have Bart going to do a couple. Tom, of course, he's a family member. He'll get up and do some with us, so good. Yeah. Right now, it's still on you, Paul.
Okay.
Okay.
You said Bart could play the acoustic, and just for a second, I thought you said Bart could play acoustic.
Oh,
And
you probably can
that would be
do
pretty-
that too.
I know you've got a bunch of those.
Right,
at
I
home.
do. Yes, I do.
Hang on it.
All right, let's do an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind in the key of G. On the 5, long 5. And 1, 2, 1. The jukebox is playing a honky-tonk song. One more I keep saying, and then I'll go home. What good would it do me? I know what I'll find. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. The people are dancing and having their fun. I just keep here thinking about what you have done. To try and forget you, I turn to the wine. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. alone and forsaken, so blue I could die. I just sit here drinking until the bottle runs dry. My pockets are empty, my last glass of wine, an empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind. An empty bottle, a broken heart, and you're still on my mind.
Sounds just like the record to me. I don't know. I never heard the record. Anyway, we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota, and he was nice enough to give us a place to hang out and play some music. Bill, where are you from?
New Mexico.
New Mexico. I've been there a few times. That's a pretty spot up there. I have relatives that live there. It's a good place. We're happy to have you, and happy birthday again. Anyway, Bob Smith Toyota, great family. They sell cars and the Toyotas, and they're right across the street from where we are up here in La Crescenta. And he said, "Hey, do your country show in my showroom here at my warehouse right across the street from my car lot." And I said, "Okay," and so we're doing it. We're having a good time. And what else is there to say? I said, Easter's next Sunday. We're not doing a show next Sunday because we're going to go to church and do that whole Easter Bunny thing. And family. So, something funny happened real quick. I got to tell you. I'm kind of blanking out today, but I'll tell you. We have 3 Catholic churches nearby in this neighborhood. My family and I, we're happy to be Catholic. So there's St. Bede's, there's A Lady of Lourdes, and there's Holy Redeemer. And one of them, my sister called me this morning and said that one of the newsletters, the little local that the church puts out for the people, said that Carmen, spelled Carmen, but the last name was Sardo, had passed away. So it said that Carmen Sardo passed away. Well, obviously it's I spell my name Carmine, but a lot of people, they call me Carmen. That's how they kind of pronounce it.
Yeah.
So. But the funny thing is I don't know of another Sardo family that I've ever heard of. I've been to all 3 of those churches, from time to time. So we got to do a little more investigating, see who it was or what it was, and God bless them in the family if that really happened. Yep. I know it's not me. I wouldn't be here.
We're pretty sure it's not you.
Sometimes I wonder.
You just have to do findagrave.com. Find out who it really is.
Anyway. I don't know why I told you that story, but it just happened to me this morning, and it was on my mind. Okay, Paul.
Yeah.
Do another one, and then maybe Tom will get up and do a couple of us.
Right, let's do this one. Let's do The Banks of the Ohio. This one's going out to Carrie.
Key of E. And harmony shall be sung the hills of Santa Susana.
151.
Key?
Kind of like that. Oh, echo. 1, 2. I asked my love to take a walk, just to walk a little way, and as we walk along, we talk all about our wedding day, and only say that you'll be mine, and in our home we'll happy be, down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. I held a knife against her breast, as into my arms she pressed, crying, Willie, Don't you murder me. I'm not prepared for eternity. And only say that he'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be. Down the side where the waters flow, down by the bank of the Ohio. I took her down that bank of sand. I took her by her little hand. I pushed her in where she would drown. I watched her as she floated down, and only say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be. Down the side where the waters flow, down by the bank of the Ohio. Straight home, twixt 12 and 1, crying, God, what have I done? I killed the only one I loved, because she would not marry me. And only say that he'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be. Down the side where the waters flow, down by the bank of the Ohio. The very next day, about 4:30, sheriff came knocking at my door. He said, young man, don't you try to run. You'll have to pay for the crime you done. And only say that you'll be mine. And in our home we'll happy be. Down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio. Down the side where the waters flow, down by the banks of the Ohio.
Yeah, who doesn't love a good murder ballad?
Yeah, I love it. You know, the only thing missing in that song was Carrie up here doing that. Next time she comes up, we'll do that song again. It'll sound that much better. Tom, come on up. Hey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That was it. That was it for my performance. I hope you enjoyed it. How you been? I've been fine.
Good, you had a good week.
I did.
How's your beautiful wife, Adele?
She's doing great.
Give her all up.
She's doing great.
All right.
Thanks for asking.
I ask everybody.
Paul,
Tom,
Carmine doesn't have a mic. You want to talk about him a little bit?
I think we should.
Yeah.
Have fun.
They can't hear things.
You shouldn't talk about the,
Didn't you guys hear? He's dead.
you shouldn't talk about the deceased that way.
I look at Jimmy's dead.
You said what?
He said, did you hear? He's dead. Did you say,
I forgot. I should respect the dead.
Yes.
What are we doing? What key?
All right, we're gonna play. I think it's key of A, and we're gonna play a Don Williams song.
Yes.
This song is really important to me, and the reason it's important to me is it means a lot to me that I get to play it for someone who's going to listen to it, because the words are so good. It's just a reflection. When I was a kid, Uncle Remus, he put me to bed with a picture of Stonewall Jackson above my head. Then Daddy came in and kissed his little man with gin on his breath and his Bible in his hand. He talked about honor and things I should know. He staggered a little and he went out the door. I can still hear the soft southern wind in the live oak tree. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Hank in Tennessee, I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And what do you do with good old boys like me? Nothing makes the sound in the night like the wind does. But you're not afraid if you're washed in the blood like I was. The smell of Cape Jasmine through the window screen. John Arryn the Wolfman kept me company by the light of the radio by my bed, with Thomas Wolfe whispering in my head. I can still hear the soft southern wind in the live oak tree. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Don, Hank in Tennessee, I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And what do you do with good old boys like me? Go ahead, Jimmy, take her out. Take a bite, Jimmy. was in school, I ran with the kid up the street. I watched him burn himself up on bourbon and speed. But I was smarter than most, and I could choose. Learned to talk like the man on the 6 o'clock news. When I was 18, Lord, I hit the road. But it doesn't really matter how far I go. I can still hear the soft southern wind in the live oak tree. And those Williams boys, they still mean a lot to me. Don Hank in Tennessee. I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And what do you do with good old boys? One more time. I guess we're all gonna be what we're gonna be. And what do you do with good old boys?
Another ending? High one.
That's nice.
We nailed it.
That's the first time we've ever done that one.
Great song.
That is
Add
a
it
great
to the
song.
list.
Don Williams, man. Look him up.
I saw him live once in Palm Springs.
Yeah.
Oh God, he was
That's
so
good.
good. He had a young kid. He was 13 years old. He played great.
Really?
Played a Telecaster. Kid
Playing
played
with him?
so good. Oh, played so good. All right, what else we got?
Still Willie Nelson. Let's do this one in key of D, I believe.
We got it.
And good luck on that. Good luck on that first round on that.
We got it. We're gonna nail it.
Living on the road, my friend, gonna keep us free and clean. Now you wear your skin like iron, that's as hard as kerosene. Weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one it seemed. Began to cry when you said goodbye. Take it to your dream. Pancho was a bandit boy. He rode a horse fast as polished steel. He wore his gun outside his clothes. All the honest world was free. Pancho met his match, you know, in the desert down in Mexico. No one heard his dying word. That's the way it goes. Go ahead, Jimmy. I'll go. All the fat air out, they say, could have had on any day. They only let him go so long. Out of kindness, I suppose. Now, Jimmy, take a bite. You want to take it now, Karma? The lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. The dozen Pancho bit down south and ended up in Lefty's mouth. The day they let old Pancho low, Lefty split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. now the poet's right up Pancho fell. Left his living in a cheap hotel. The desert's quiet and Cleveland's cold. So the story ends where it's told. Pancho needs your praise, it's true. But save a few for Lefty too. He only did what he had to. Now he's growing old. All right, boys, do me a favor here. Carmine and Jimmy play one round together. And all the fatty riders say could have had 'em any day. They only let 'em go so long. I suppose. Just before I go, can I say something real quick? I don't want to chew up your time or anything, but the cowbells, John, Big Bad John, brought some cowbells, and he has a Swiss cow, like a Swiss cheese, but a Swiss cowbell. Can you show it?
I played that on that song.
I know you did.
Great.
That was
I used a variety of different implements.
he played that on a Don Williams song, and it's a real Swiss cowbell. And I just wanted to.
I love it.
Yes. And I don't believe the
Great
cow
job, John.
suffered from the loss of this.
Okay, we'll have Paul do another one, and then maybe I'll do one. Wait a minute. Is there any water here?
Hold on a second.
Show's a little loose tonight. Well, it's always loose. Excuse me a minute.
Oh, sorry.
Get out of my way. Let's do a little. It was Merle Haggard's birthday the other night, and a bunch of people in LA. I kept seeing on the on Facebook and stuff how they were going to do tribute to Earl for his birthday. I think he was going to be 85. So anyway, I'm going to do a Swinging Doors, a Merle Haggard song. Merle, we love you, and you know, you did a lot. You did a lot for all of us, and we thank you. I got it. This old smoke-filled bar is something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. Come by and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. And you stop by, come and see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you can always find me here till closing time. Pick it, Jimmy. I got everything I need that'll drive me crazy. And I got everything I need to lose my mind. And in here, The atmosphere's just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. And my new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by and see me anytime you want to. Thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. With that, I'll check my tuning. But anyway, thanks for listening, folks.
Oh, yeah.
Bye. Come on up. We got walk-in guests tonight. People that just showed up to say hi, and I'm putting them to work. I love it.
Oh, I got that walk-ins welcome out there.
I know. No strings. Okay, put that mic where you like.
Something fishy about it, eh?
Yeah. Let's see here. Anybody got a kit?
I do. Right here. You want a light one or a heavy?
Oh, I'll take a medium. Whatever this one is the right one. On guard.
I'm gonna tune up while you guys are getting set.
How about let's see. Now I gotta figure out what we do. How about let's see what key. I want to tune that.
I need to knock out the
How about in Call Me the Breeze?
Yeah.
In G?
Did you get it tuned up okay?
Call Me the Breeze? In G? Let's see. Oh, you got built-in Toonie Woody.
There you go.
I'm gonna sit down and relax.
It's pretty close.
Good.
Volume's right there. I got one right here.
I got another guitar.
Where's the long channel? There, you got it? You know how to work one of those things, don't you?
If not, I'll just. They call me the breeze. I keep going down the road. Well, they call me the breeze. I keep going down the road. Well, I ain't got me nobody. I don't carry me no load. Well, now ain't no change in the weather. There ain't no change Georgia peaches. I do. Make me feel right at home. Especially if you're in Texas. Well, now I think you Georgia peaches. Yes, you make me feel right at home. But I can't say Georgia long. Let's have a little horribleness. Well, they call me the breeze. I told you that once before. I keep blowing down the road. Well, they call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road. That's where I blow. On the road. I ain't got out from nobody. Well, I don't carry me no load.
Damn.
Yeah.
Hey, I got no mic, so you guys take the show. Take it from here.
We don't need no sneakers.
What? Do another one.
Another one?
Yeah.
That's the only one I know.
Well, so do it again. I'll do it back.
How about wasted days and wasted nights?
Do it.
Let me see. Wait. Let's see what I can sing it in. Wasted. Okay, E. Key of E. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not true? Well, you don't belong to me. Your heart belongs to somebody new. Wasted days and wasted nights I have left for you behind. 'Cause I don't remember the words, but I don't care, 'cause I remember the bridge. I still remember the day when you went away and left me. Well, I was so lonely, I cried for your head, my love. Why should I keep loving you when I know you're not true? I know you aren't. For you don't belong to me. You belong to Carmine Sardo. Play one for you, Carmine. Why should I keep loving you when I know that you're not true? Don't you remember the day? Put your hands together. When you went away and you left me. You left me. I was so lonely. I cried for you only, my love. That's why I keep loving you. Though I know you ain't true. 'Cause you don't belong to me. Your heart belongs to somebody new. Great job. Great job. Thank you.
That's pretty good for just some homeless guy.
How about a hand for Bob? Phone down here, get to it. Well, that guy's really tall. I gotta do two things to get back. Great. How about a hand for Bob, man? That was great stuff. So here we are at Carmine's Country Corner. Thank you, boss. Anytime you come through that door, get ready to sing. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota, and we've been doing this for next month. There's going to be 2 years. We've never missed a Sunday except for a couple of reruns we did when we had, like next Sunday's Easter. We won't be here, but we'll have a show up for you. So anyway, yes, and we're having fun. And Paul,
Yes.
what do you got?
Let's do this song. It's called "I Pity the Mother and the Father When the Kids Move Away."
I love it.
What can E? Well, I pity the mother and the father when the children are gone. Their lives were complete, still they must carry on. So many families separated today, and I pity the mother and the father when the kids move away. They wanted so bad for you to have it good. Didn't give you everything, but they did the best they could. And now they know that you must move away with a family of your own. Still I pity the mother and the father when the children are gone. No welfare check or government plan can ease the pain in the heart of a lonely man, or a lonely woman who gave her all she might live today. And I pity the mother and the father when the kids move away. In the olden days, a family never strayed too far from home. One or two might move away, but the rest would carry on. But we're scattered to the wind in this old world today. And I pity the mother and the father when the kids move away. No miracle drug in the nursing home can say I love you, mama and daddy, when you're all alone. To a man or a woman who gave their all that you gotta live today. Yeah, I pity the mother and the father when the kids move away. Oh yeah, and I pity the mother and the father when the kids move away.
We play again? And you shook your head like yes. I said, can we play again? Oh, and you shook your head like yes, and I said,
I didn't even
No,
do it.
you were-
Sorry, I was done.
So anyway, we didn't get our second solo there, Jimmy, but we'll make it up in the next song. No,
I'll give you three in there.
who wrote that song? That's a good song. That's an old song, man, isn't it?
It might have been written by Russell Smith from the Amazing Rhythm Aces.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a good song.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Okay, I'll do Clayton Delaney.
Okay.
Sorry, folks. Talk to
5 minutes.
5 minutes? It'll take me that long to tune up.
You do
What
one.
is
I'll
thing
do one.
loud? Sorry, guys. Hang on a second.
Can you see that cowbell again?
No.
Rick, more cowbell.
94.
I know what I'm looking forward to, though. I'm looking forward to a biscuits and gravy breakfast. That's what I'm looking forward to.
What time? I don't know the time.
Carmen wants to know what time.
I know where you live. I'm not worried about that. That sounds pretty good.
It does sound good. Well, it's a birthday breakfast for Bill, for Poppy.
Oh, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, happy birthday, buddy.
And I hope it wasn't a secret. Okay, good.
Yeah.
I spilled the beans. I let the cat out of the bag.
How many times has that happened? Now, don't tell anybody. Don't worry about a thing.
Yeah.
My lips are sealed.
Better than the one before.
John Beelan, help me. Close enough for this song. remember the year when the lady died. And they said for the last 2 weeks he suffered and he cried. And it made a big impression on me. Although I was a barefoot kid, like Ollie. Said he got religion at the end, and I'm glad that he did. Now Clayton was the best guitar picker in our town. And I thought he was a hero. Used to follow Clayton around. And I often wondered why Clayton, he seemed so good to me. He never took that guitar, made it down in Tennessee. Pick it. Guess if I'd admit it, old Clayton taught me how to drink booze. I can see him half stoned, just picking up the lovesick blues. And when Clayton died, I made him a promise that I was gonna carry on somehow, and I'd give $100 if he could only see me now. And I remember the year Clayton the lady died. Nobody ever knew it, but I went out in the woods and I cried. And I know there's a lot of big preachers that know a lot more than I do. But it could be that the good Lord likes a little picking too. And I remember the year that Clayton the lady died. Thank you.
Yes,
We got
sir.
one more song.
Yeah,
We're
Cameron.
going to close the show.
Let's close it up.
The hour flew by. I want to thank Tom. I want to thank Bart. Bart, we're going to get you back up as a guest artist one time. And Tom, too. Tom's on the whole show with us before, and so is Bart. So we'll do that again sometime. Jimmy, thanks. You sounded great. So you know how we do this? We play and then we... Oh, no, but this time we're going to end the song, right? End it. Okay. I got that from the producer.
All right.
Okay, Paul.
Key of A. Let's do I'm Blue, I'm Lonesome Too. You want to...
Why don't you start with me? Great. Okay, John. Swing it.
The lonesome side of a train going by makes me want to stop and cry. I recall the day it took you away. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my suitcase and go. The lonesome side of a train going by makes me wanna stop and cry. the night in the pale moonlight. The wind moans and cries. These lovesick blues I just can't lose. I'm blue, I'm lonesome too. When I hear that whistle blow, I'm gonna pack my suitcase and go along some side of a train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. You wanna pick him in?
That was a little goofy, but I had fun. Okay, so this is it. We're going to end the song, right? That's what we do. We're not going to go out playing. Okay, so I want to thank Bob Smith, of course, Tom and Bart. Bill, happy birthday to you, my friend. You have a beautiful family. Ollie's just a wonderful little boy. Hi, Ollie. We love you, son. Will, God bless you. I hear you're retiring soon, right? Good man. God bless you. Jimmy, I'll see you next Sunday. Don't be late. Okay. Oh, Easter. God, keep me awake here. You're right. Easter time.
You're not going to see me
I won't be here either. You're right. Okay, John, maybe I'll see you Tuesday night. Paul, I love you.
I'll see you in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, not next Sunday. What am I talking about? All right, let's go.
Well, when I hear that whistle blow, I wanna pack my trunk and go along some side of the train going by. Makes me wanna stop and cry. I'm blue,